Greetings from Sydney, Nova Scotia, Canada. And there is the Sydney logo back there. And here is that big fiddle celebrating the music of the Scottish immigrants. Actually, Nova Scotia is New Scotland. Someone had mentioned to me that St. John, New Brunswick was a lot of Irish immigrants, and this is the community with a lot of Scottish immigrants. And here it is, Cape Breton Island. Your heart will never leave. I agree. And I'm back, but my heart will not leave. And I have my Nova Scotia shirt on today. Let's go in the John Harris Cruise Pavilion. For those of you who have not yet had the pleasure of being in Sydney, Nova Scotia, Canada. This is so. If you come on a rainy day, don't forget you have some indoor activities that are available to you. Let me see what brochures are here. I did the local walking tour of Sydney. You scan your your camera in some mums, and it'll tell you about the art in the area. Did that on Prince Street. Did some local shopping. Oh, the map. And this is the province of Nova Scotia. And there's a bit of a flea market here. Pitman Hall. We'll see if we can get in. Craft market. Funny story about the Pitman Hall craft market. Went in here once with my mom, who loves Scotland. Part of the reason why she chose this area. And she said to someone, I love that tartan. It's a beautiful plaid. And they jumped at her. A tartan is never a plaid. My mom's not Scottish, but she loves Scotland. All right, that's a quick visit. Quick visit from the Fiddle. Fun things to do at the terminal. Sydney, Canada. I will be back to the big fiddle market. It's time to board the ship. That's how close this is. So if you are arriving, you don't know what to do, there's a tartan.
Do you know where the French place is?
There should be one. There it is. And that is beautiful Sydney, Nova Scotia, Canada. Till next time, keep enjoying and exploring.